I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hello guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, I am just for the returning subscribers. Thank you so much for the support to your girl. And if you're new to the channel, karibu sana. Sorry about the background noise. Anyway, in today's video, tag along as I watch my babies over here. We're currently at the shop, and my shop is located in Utawala at Benedicta, right opposite Total Energies, Utawala Junction, just directly above Samosa World KE. I sell pretty cute lady outfits. Karibuni. Anyways, on to today's video. We are washing my dummies. Actually, since I bought them, honestly, I have never washed them. I have ever kuzipanguza the dust, but kusugua I have never. So tag along as I do that. And it's been like 1.5 months since I purchased the dummy, so this is the first time I am actually scrubbing the dummy. As you guys can see, there's build-up of dust on the thigh area, and I have been postponing washing these dummies for the longest time, but finally I got to wash them. Nilitumia Super Bright and liquid soap, and it really worked so well for me.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must.
I finally finished cleaning my 6 dummies, and it felt so nice because I kept on postponing this. Also, my dummies look as good as new. Kitambo, I used to, panguza it with a wet kitamba, or mvua ikinyesha. That was my cheat code. Mvua ikinyesha naacha the dummies with all the clothes, maji inaendea, and then nitapanguza after. But like from now henceforth, sitakuwa na zikalisha that long, cause kuna a few of the stains that remained, though ni kidogo. But yeah, washing your dummies make them, look as good as new. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.